Walk. Don't wait for her. Okay, sige. Sige, ipa-plats mo. Plats. Hand signal. Good. Lumayo ka konti. No, plats. Tapos umalis ka. Okay, balik ka. Balik. And then sabihin mo sa kanya, heel.
Heel. Very heel. Heel.
Good. Tapos habaan mo yung leash. Go around her. Go around her. Sige. Tapos ipa-heel mo siya ngayon. Okay, walk. Walk na, walk. Turn left, turn left. Ahan, turn left. Yan. Left, left, left. Turn left. Kapag ganyan, yan, tama yung ginagawa mo. Pwede rin ipa-heel mo. Yan, heel, heel. Yan. Good. Yan, okay. Sige, walk. Walk ulit. Good. Stop. Heel.
Heel. Heel. Very. Very. Heel.
Okay, sige. Walk. Medyo hindi niya na-feel yung tree kapag merong aso na iba. Nakita mo? Nagpipindot ako. Hindi niya na-feel. So yung number, it's iba-iba depending on the situation. Sige, start walking heel. Loose leash lang. Don't wait for the dog.
Alam niya kasi
Kapag namali yung position niya, just reset lang. Don't use the leash.
Very flat. Flat.
No.
Flat.
That's
Flat. Good.
okay, heel.
Heel. Very heel. Good heel. Good flat. Good flat.
Okay, ipa-heel mo. Heel.
Very no.
Heel. Atlas. Heel. Good.
Good heel.
Okay, lapit ka konti. Tapos, ipa-plats mo ulit.
Very
Plats.
very flat.
Good.
Good flat. Heel. Very heel.
Use the leash, Han. Use the leash.
Very heel.
Yeah, okay, plats.
Flat.
Plats.
Good girl.
Oh, good boy siya. Oh. Ano pangalan niya? Ha? Gunter.
Good boy,
Gunter. Gusto niya makipaglaro. Ah,
Good girl, very heel.
isa pa. Dapat wala siyang reaction. Ba't ikat ka ulit?
Heel. Flat. Very flat. No. Flat. 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 Good girl.
Sige, heel.
Very heel. Very heel. Very flat. 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 No. Flat. Good. Flat. Good.
Heel.
Heel.
Bigyan mo lang siya mahaba na leash. The more na lumayo siya sa'yo, the more na lumayo ka sa kanya, tapos sabihin mo heel. Ah,
Flat. Flat. No. Very flat. Good.
Mag ano ka din, biglang U-turn going to your right. Yan. Sige.
Heel. Flex. Flex. Good, Gary. Good girl, Gary, baby. Heel. Gary, sit. Gary, heel. Good girl. Gary, heel.
Ayun, kinarag ko siya doon. Huwag laging flats ah.
Heel. Gary, heel. Good, heel.
Sabi mo, pinastay mo or ano? Tawagin mo, Cam?
Gary, heel.
Good. Practicein mo din yung recall, ha? Tapos yung recall mo, i-finish mo siya sa heel. So, di ba, sabi mo, Cam, tapos pag malapit na siya, heel. Yeah.
Gary, sit.
No? No?
No, sit.
Okay, okay.
Gary, come. Heel.
Oh, alam mo naman pala yung heel.
Gary, flex.
Nagkukunwari ka eh. Pag pinapahil, hindi niya daw alam.
Gary, come. Heel. Good girl.
Sige, walking naman, walking. Go. Okay.
Gary, heel.
Ganyan lang yung siya, kaya mo lang ganyan.
Flex. Flex.
Mag-IGP ka.
Flex. Gary,
No?
no.
Flats.
Gary, flex. Good
Okay.
girl.
Wag muna ganun, basic lang.
Down in motion.
Ulit, heel.
Gary, heel.
Mag-stop ka muna. Kapag magaling na siya, pwede mo gawin yun.
Flex. Flex. Good.
No,
flex.
flats.
Flex.
Good.
Oh, heel. Good girl.
Oh, ngayon, i-break mo siya. Break. Okay, ganun.
Okay. Gary, okay.
Tapos makipaglaro ka lang sa kanya. Yan. Good, good. Good, good. Tapos heel.
Heel. Gary, heel. Gary, no. Heel. Heel.
Good. Okay na. Yan lang muna.